Hey, my name's Aaron with Scalability. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And if you are a course creator who has struggled to figure out how to make it all work together and get it sold, then this is going to be the playlist for you. If you are wanting to be a course creator, this is the playlist for you. So in here, we're going to create the videos, create the content that will be very specific for creating courses, selling those courses, and automating as much as possible with scalability software. So there will be other how-to sections and of course our live Q&As and our live builds, but this is going to be the playlist that very specifically will work for course creators. So everything in here is going to be how you build your funnel, how you upsell to the next thing, how you automate that and deliver it to where you don't have to touch anything and you can multiply that as far as you want. So dig into the videos here and add to the comments under the videos and in our community what you like, what you don't like, and what you think is missing. That way we can create the content that actually helps you take action and get results as quickly as possible. Thanks. Feel free to poke around, watch the videos, let us know what you think, and we'll see you on the next one.